Alright, there is my power system from my f14. The only difference is this battery right here, only because the battery that was in the crash was damaged beyond what I term safe. There's the variant of receiver I use. It actually is the receiver from the jet. It was brand new, fresh off Amazon. Bought it at the same time I bought the jet. And then this is exactly the same kind of battery. As you can see, voltage, there was no voltage tag, being a 100C 5000. Jet flew freaking phenomenal on it. Beyond that, as you can see, everything's plugged in. There's one label. There's the other label. And I will unplug that plug and hook it to, never mind my dinner, the voltmeter, and I'll rejoin you in a second.